Hi everyone. This is what the meat looks like right now. Yeah, I know it's dark looking. No, it's not burnt. Nope. And camera's getting steamed up. So hang on. It's still cooking. It's currently 12:51 here. And I got the meat started at 9 o'clock this morning. So what I put on the meat is this liberally garlic sea salt. Now, this also has, where does it say? Hang on. It also has garlic and onion in it. There it is. Wait. This is where you get it from. Okay? It's really good. And it just comes in its own grinder. Or go there. That's where I got it from. Okay, so anyway, this is what I'm using. And your basic black pepper. And some onion powder. That's it. That's all I'm using. And that's water in the bottom. What you do is you add about this much water and you let the meat cook down and all the water disappears. Then you scrape the bottom of the pan, get all that good stuff up out of the pan, flip the meat over, okay? Flip it over, pour more water in. Don't put a lid on it. Don't do that. So it's going to cook. I've already flipped it 3 times. I'll flip it again when this water is done. That's a good way to remember. When the water is done, scrape the pan, flip the meat. Okay, I'll have instructions in the description of this video. And towards the end, when the meat is just able to shred and fall apart all on its own, then you add a can or two, depending how spicy you like them. We add mild green chilies. And the meat will be all shredded up, and you can use it for whatever you want. Make a burrito, make a taco, however you want to eat it. This is my mom's shredded beef. I will show you again what it looks like towards the end when it's all shredded up with the green chilies. So, hi folks, I'm back. And it is almost 5 o'clock. This meat has been cooking since 9 this morning, so a full 8 hours. It is now shredded up. That black stuff you just saw, that's part of the roasted green chilies. No, I didn't burn the meat. It tastes awesome. And what I'm waiting for is the last of this liquid to cook out of it and cook down, and then it will be done. In the description, I will tell you how many times I had to put water in it, how many times I turned it, and how long it took to cook. Okay? There's the temperature it's been cooking at all day. You do have to watch this recipe. You add the water, you let it cook down. You scrape the bottom of the pan. You flip the meat over. You add more water. You let it cook. Just repeat that process. I know for some of you, this may be a process that you just don't want to do. But if you take the time to cook your meat all day, low and slow, with specific spices, you will get the most tender, flavorful meat ever. This is shredded beef, and this is what I grew up eating in southern Arizona. I hope you all enjoy, because I know my family will. Happy Cinco de Mayo, everyone.